everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited because we have the Front Range Soaps box. This is the second one I have received. The last one was so adorable. It was Halloween themed and I absolutely loved it. I can't remember if I just mentioned this, but it was my first one I received ever and it totally impressed me. So Front Range Soaps, this is available on Cratejoy and it comes in 2 different sizes. So I'm going to link them down below, and if I can find a promo code or anything like that, that will be in the description box as well. I'm also going to link in my description box any giveaways we have going on. So definitely check those out if you have not yet already. But yeah, let's get started. So this is the Bath & Spa monthly subscription box, as you can tell from the name. Clearly there's some soaps and bath and stuff in it. So there's like their little sticker. It came in the outer wrapping that had my address on it. I took that off, but I haven't opened the actual box yet, so let's see. So when you open it up, there is some like protective bubble wrap stuff. Oh my god, it's got a whiff of good scent. And then everything else is wrapped up so cute and nicely. Oh my gosh, so there's a little note, but you guys look how cute. Like last month the wrapping was themed too, so it has like a fall theme this month it looks like. There's a little leaf there and it's wrapped up so well. Oh my god, I smell something so good. I just love good smells so much. That's why I always have a candle burning. You might not be able to tell, but I just love it. I love good scents. So November's luxury bath and spa gift box. Everyone must take time to sit and watch the leaves turn. Turn everyday stress into relaxing bliss. So awesome. And they won an award. Congratulations, Front Range Soaps. It says 2019 US Subscription Box Awards winner. So I have the deluxe box, and in here, there's a little sign note. It says, thank you for choosing our box. And it is signed by the 2 owners, which I think is super cute. I just love the personal touch. And then there is a sneak peek of what will be in December's box. And then there is the business card for Deb. So if you have any questions or anything like that, you have direct a phone number and email for the owner. So that is so great. So they really do value their customers and have good customer service. And then in here it talks about everything inside. Bergamot, ginger, and tea, the perfect combination for relaxing this fall. So I guess that is the main theme, and it talks about a little bit what bergamot is. It says bergamot is a fragrant citrus fruit from the tropical citrus bergamot plant. Common throughout the Mediterranean, the fruit is the size of an orange, yet similar in color to a lime or even yellowish, depending on the ripeness. Unlike other citrus fruits, bergamot has a distinctive, heady fragrance and flavor. Cool, so I learned something new. So now let's get into the soaps. It's so pretty, the packaging. I don't even want to like ruin it. Oh my gosh. It's like opening a luxury present, you know? This tissue paper is beautiful. I think I'm gonna try and save it. Plus it'll smell so good when I repurpose it. Oh my god, you guys look how much stuff is in here. This is jam packed with good stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's just start from like left to right. I see some like bath products. The first thing I see, it says Front Range Soap Silky Skin Nourishing Bubble Bath or Body Wash, and this is in ginger and white tea, and this is 10 ounces. Oh man, that's awesome. And then it talks about all the ingredients in the back. Let's smell it. Ginger and white tea. So there's a safety seal, but I can still get a good sniff. Oh man. It smells good. Awesome. And I love that it like explains that you can use it both in your bath, or if you're more of a shower person, you can use it as a body wash. So it's like everyone can get use out of this. And it says this produces long-lasting creamy bubbles. Fragrance is ginger and white tea. Awesome. And then next to it looks like we have a skin oil, also by Front Range Soaps. I think everything is. I don't know why I'm repeating myself. But the skin oil says used in the bath or after the shower. This is 4 ounces or 118 milliliters, and this is in citrus mint. It says shea oil will settle, shake well before use, and you can kind of see that. So if you get that, just know. So I like how they tell us that, educate us a little bit more about the shea oil. And I love how they list all the ingredients on the back. I also list their address. They're based out of Colorado Springs. So let's get a sniff of this. I love body oils. I love oils in general. This smells good. And on the sheet here it says Use as a bath oil or place on a damp cloth and apply to skin. Fragrance and citrus mint. Love it. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then it looks like we have some tea candles, tea light candles. Oh, and I think it goes with something else. Let's see. Awesome. So the 2 tea vanilla light candles. Really 4. And then it goes in this. Let me show you. This looks so cute in the picture. I'm so excited. This will go with my like decor downstairs. I never like have decorated my house really before, but now I have like fall themed stuff. Like I have a fall like table runner on my kitchen table. Like this will look so cute on top. But this is a little leaf tea light holder. I love this. What a nice touch. So you just put one of these little tea lights right in there. It smells like vanilla, and this is so cute. This is perfect for the fall theme. I love that. It's gonna go so perfect downstairs in my house. Love it. Ooh, and now we have a sugar scrub. And it says on here, this is ginger vanilla bean. I love how there's always like, you know, all the scents are coordinated and stuff. But it says sugar scrub, and then some directions, which I'll read in just a moment. It says to exfoliate and soften the skin, gently massage a dime-sized amount of the scrub into wet skin for 30 to 60 seconds. Rinse with warm water, and you get 5 ounces or about 150 mLs in here. And then it talks about all the ingredients. Safety seal, which is good. Everything smells so good. Awesome. I love it. And then it looks like we have some sweet treats. That's so nice. I love that they include this. So they're little chocolates that are wrapped up and they look like leaves. Perfect for the theme. Seriously, everything is so cute. This is milk chocolate, purchased in bulk from O Nuts at www.onuts.com, and then lists all the ingredients, so that is good, especially for anyone with an allergy. And then it looks like we have, I'm guessing this is a bath bomb, or okay, so this is a bath fizzy or a shower steamer. Again, I love that you can use it on your preferred method of cleansing. So it says, place in tub of warm water or on the corner of the shower floor, and this is bergamot and black tea. And it says this is made with nourishing sunflower oil. This smells really good. And that is what the packaging looks like. Seriously, so cute. And then we have this soap. This looks so cute. This is an Artisan Glycerin skincare bar in twigs and berries. Look how cute it is. It goes perfect with the theme. And look at all the layers. I feel like that would be hard to do. It's like perfect too. Oh my god, this smells amazing. What is this again? Do you ever smell things and it just like reminds you of the past, like child or something, like in a good way too? Reminds me of something. It smells so good. So it says a layered skincare bar in the colors of fall, made with shea butter. Fragrance is twigs and berries. It smells so good. I wish I could remember what it was. Oh my god, there's several things left still. This is so awesome. So this is their shea butter facial cleansing bar, and this is 3 ounces. Cool. And this is in lavender chamomile. Oh my god, this will be a great cleanser for nighttime. Those are such calming, soothing scents. Oh my god, I love that. And this is definitely like eco-friendly too. I know like cleansing bars are becoming like more of a trend. Like I know Lush has them. Oh my god, this smells so good. Awesome. I'm so excited to try this out. Nice. Oh, there's a little towel in here. It says fluffy face cloth. That's so nice. So you can use this with your cleansing bar. Oh my god, that's like so nice. We all could use more of these, right? That is fluffy and soft. That's such a nice touch. And then we have another bath fizzy or shower steamer. And this one is in bergamot and white tea. This smells really good too. So we have bergamot and black tea, and then we have the bergamot and white tea. So similar packaging, different colors. This goes well because that's like the white tea, and this is the black one. So cute. And I think there's one more thing. And this is another bath fizzy or shower steamer, and this is in bergamot tangerine, and it's orange color. I love how coordinated all this is. That is, oh my god, you guys, this box is so good. Let me just make sure there's nothing else. I love this box. This is such a good bath subscription. Okay, let's do a quick recap. So we have the bubble bath or the body wash, the skin oil. We have 3 bath bombs or shower steamers. Awesome, they all smell so good. We have a facial cleansing bar and a little face towel to go with it. So nice. We have this adorable seasonal, like perfect for the season, tea light candle holder. It's a leaf with 4 tea lights to use with it that smell like vanilla. We have this layered soap bar, which smells amazing. I mean, everything honestly does. And that is also fitting with the theme and so cute. And then we have the sugar scrub. I love stuff like this, and this smells really good too. Oh my gosh. And then we have these little chocolates, which is such a nice touch. And I think that is everything. I think that is just, this is such a cute box, and the theme is so cute every time. Like, you guys should have seen the Halloween box. That was, if you guys didn't, I'll link that down below. But now we have a little hint of what's coming in December. So it says, December's box, Best of Chanel. Is that what that means? Best of Chanel? You guys help me decipher that. Best of Chanel. So I think it's gonna be like, definitely like Christmas themed or holiday themed. So interesting. Like, so you can see like a little picture of what's coming. Best of Chanel. That makes it seem so bougie, doesn't it? Anyways, I think this is such a cute subscription. If you guys like bath stuff or know someone that does, I think this also would make a great gift. And again, it comes in 2 sizes. I have the bigger size, the deluxe size. So I'm gonna link them down below if you want to explore their website or anything like that. And again, if I can find any promo codes, I will list that down below as well. But thank you so much for being here and unboxing the Front Range Soap Bath and Spa box with me. I really appreciate you guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!